Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome my channel. This welcome. Walking na po tayo guys. Walking. Good morning Philippines. Good morning world. Good morning all subscriber. All good morning. Good morning Lucita Diaries, my derby FF. Viva Mascarados, Mr. Alex. Morning Danao Ayop. Good morning. Good morning, Busing Caesar, Daddy Ninja Traveler, Nini Days, Kuya Adams, Apple, Kuya Friends. Good morning, Escaping Team Blessed Life. Maya Elena Blair, Hobbs, Trina, Sir Casilo Norma, good morning. Pugi. Good morning, Pugi. Shout out everyone. Good morning, all followers, subscriber, all no, all nationwide to support to Miss Malaka. I love you guys. Love you everybody. Mm. Wow, ang ganda ng panahon sa Pilipinas, guys. Oh. I love you. Malapit na po tayo sa highway. Medyo papasok. Idol Lucita, ingat po. Welcome Philippines again. Tapos na yung bakasyon. Wow. Master Alex, I love you Master Alex. I miss you team pala ka. Idol B. Adel pa Damasco, get well soon. Maka-recover po kayo sa mga naramdaman. Kung hindi pa kayo updated sa aking YouTube channel, huwag niyo kalimutan like and share and bisita my channel, Miss Palaga. Good morning Philippines. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.